Hi viewers, this is Minachandra Maxito. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Ganesh Tutorials. Are you all ready to learn? Let me start the class.
Example 7, page number 164. Example 7, page number 164. In what ratio? The point minus 4 comma 6 divides the line segment joining the points A 6 minus 6 comma 10 and B 3 comma minus 8. Actually, one line, it is joining A and B. In that line, there is a one point should be lies on the one point. There's a one point is here, that is minus 4 comma 6. In what ratio that point can be divides the line segment? Are you clear? Excuse me. Actually, it is a line da. They given a line. That is a reverse process da. What we see in the example 6, now it is a reverse process. Okay, they given a 2 points. The A point is minus 6 comma 10. Last point B point is 3 comma minus 18. And then one of the point is what? Here minus 4 comma 6. They given a P of x comma y. What they asking? What ratio it can be divides the line? They asking ratio. Are you clear, pa? Excuse me. Clear? They're asking ratio. But the previous problem, they given a ratio and they given a starting point, ending point. We find out the in between point. Are you clear? But usually they given a starting point, ending point. We should find they given a ratio also. We can find the in between point. But here they given a starting point and ending point, and in between point also they given. We should find by what ratio it can be divided the line. The point can be divided the line. Clear? Excuse me. Ah, same thing da, section formula, nothing to worry, section formula. Here you can write x1 y1, x2 y2. This one, that is a p value, x y. Clear? So section formula you should write. Section formula p of x comma y is equal to what is it? Formula. What is the formula? Hi, excuse me. Day கேக்குதா? Here, what is the formula? M1. They are here or not? Excuse me. M1, M1, M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2, comma, more important, there is a comma here, comma, M1 y2 M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2, the more important bracket. Clear? Please adjust, I don't have space here, I just wrote it. Okay, now so P of x comma y, what is the P of x comma y point here? They given minus 4 comma 6, which is equal to some disturbances there. What is some noise is coming? Listen. Then bracket m1 we don't know da, so we just keep a m1 dot x2 value what it is 3 plus m2 dot, that is into, dot in a sense into, x1 value minus 6 divided by m1 plus m2, we just write m1 plus m2, comma, next m2, sorry, m1 y2, what is the y2 here? Minus 8. Hey, are you all here or not? Excuse me. Plus m2, what is the m2 here? We don't know. M2 into y1 value 10 here divided by m1 plus m2 and close the bracket. Are you clear? Excuse me. Any doubt? Any doubt? No, sir. Very good. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Very good. So now we can solve the problem. So minus 4 by 6, which is equal to 3 into m1. 3 into m1, what it is? 3m1 plus 3m1 plus m2 minus 6. So minus 6m2, excuse me, okay da, divided by m1 plus m2, comma, minus 8m1 plus 10m2 divided by m1 plus m2, the close braces. Clear? Any doubt? Very good, my excellent, super, very good, super, super. Okay, next minus 4 comma 6 equal to 3m1 minus 6 m2 which is equal to m1 plus m2, comma, minus 8 m1 plus 10 m2 divided by m1 plus m2 bracket. So now what it means, that particular point, the minus 4 is equal to this entire line. When we are solving this, we will get a minus 4, and the 6 is equal to the this point. Are you all clear? Excuse me. Excuse me. For example, see here. I'll write example 6 comma 3, which is equal to x comma y. What is the x value here? 6. Y value 3. Clear? Excuse me, is it clear? The same way we should write. The same way we should write. So first one you just consider 3m1 minus 6m2 divided by m1 plus m2 equal to minus 4. Then minus 8m1 plus 10m2 divided by m1 plus m2 is equal to 6. Are you clear? Excuse me? Excuse me? Any doubt? Any doubt, pa? Very good, very good. 2 para. Next, now we can simplify this. So 3m1 minus 6m2 equal to, now you can go with the cross multiplication, right? So minus 4 into m1 plus m2, right? It is in a multiplication divided form, so it will go, so it become a multiplication, right? Then 3m1 minus 6m2 is equal to minus 4m1 minus 4m2. Next step, you can segregate one side. So 3m1, next minus 6m2 minus 4 m1 minus, sorry, plus 4 m2 equal to 0. Now we can simplify m1, 3 m1 here, 4 m1. What is the pointer? Sorry, 7 m1. Here 6 m2, 4 m2, different sign, so minus 2 m2 equal to 0. Is it clear? Excuse me? Excuse me? Yeah. Next step, it is the more important. 7 m1. We want to find a m1 and m2, right? Equal to, we should write 7 m1 equal to, you just move that 2 m2 that side. Clear? Next, 7, sorry, you can write m1 equal to m2. The 7 is a multiplication 1, it goes to become a division 7. Clear? 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 Then, yes, da. What's the doubt? In the 2 m2 is here only, no? 2 m2, we just move the 7 along that side. Okay. Next, you can bring the m2 this side. So m2, m1, now it's a multiplication point m2. Now it can be divided by, that is m2 is equal to 2 by 7. Clear? Clear? Now, what is the ratio? m1, it is a division, so we can write in a ratio form. m1 into m1 is to m2 is equal to, here also 2 is to 7. So now the ratio m1 into m1 is to m2 is equal to 2 is to 7. Are you clear? Is it clear? m1 is to m2 is equal to 2 is to 7. Clear? Excuse me, are you clear? Any doubt, Ra? Clear? The same way, when you're solving this one also, you will get the same result. 2 is to 7. Clear? 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 If it is not same, when it is this ratio is 2 is to 7, when you are solving this one, you will get some other ratio, means the given point 4, 3 is not in the line. Clear? Clear? Ra? Any doubt? Clear? Shall we solve this also? Listen, in examination point of view, you can solve any one to find the ratio. That is enough. Clear? If you want, you can solve this also. Shall we solve this one now? Excuse me? Okay, now it will take 5 minutes to solve it. Wait, just wait, I will solve it. Right. So 8 m1 plus 10 m2 is equal to, now cross multiply. So 6 into m1 plus 6 into m2. Next step, it is very easy. You can segregate m1 should be one side, m2 should be one side. So 8 m1, you can bring the 6 m2 this side, 6 m1 minus, here equal to 6 m2, now minus 10 m2. Clear? Excuse me? Okay, here we did all the one should be, we can bring it to left side, then we can find the answer. Here we can directly find the answer. This is the first step, so I did elaborately, right? So 8 m1 minus 6 m1, what is the answer? Minus 15 m1 is equal to 6 m2 minus 10 m2, what it is? Minus 4 m2. So minus minus cancel. So now what it is? you just bring the m1 this side. So m1 divided by m2, which is equal to 4 by 16. Are you clear? Sorry, 4 by 14. Clear? Okay, da. Now we can solve it. 1 4s are, sorry, 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are 14. So m1 by m2 is equal to 2 by 7. Clear? Excuse me. Now, what is the form? m1 is to m2, that is 2 is to 7. Clear? We get the same answer or not? Clear? Any doubt? Are you all clear? So this is a way to find it. Are you clear, Pa? Excuse me, any doubt? Are you clear? Are you all clear? Any doubt?
I hope in this video you may clear about the problem. Thank you for watching my video. If it is any doubt, you can ask me in a comment. Thank you.